Hello students, in this video we will see the topic reaction and solution, and we'll study fourth concentration term, that is molality.
Molality. It is defined as the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. It is denoted by small m. So we can write molality small m is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. So in terms of grams, molality will be equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in grams multiplied by 1000. Thus, the unit of molality are moles per kilogram. Now, if Nb moles of solute are dissolved in W grams of solvent, then molality is equal to number of moles of solute, that is Nb, divided by mass of solvent in grams, that is here it is given as W grams, so it will be W into 1000. Now you have to remember key points of this molarity and molality. From the discussion of molarity and molality, it is evident that in molarity we consider volume of the solution, while in molality we take the mass of the solvent. Therefore, the two are never equal. Then, molality is considered better for expressing the concentration as compared to molarity, because the molarity changes with temperature because of expansion or concentration of the liquid with temperature. However, molality does not change with temperature because mass of the solvent does not change with change in the temperature. Let us see numerical 1 on molality. The question is 2.86 gram of glucose, molar mass given as 180 gram per mole, are dissolved in 30 gram of water. Calculate the molality of the solution. Let us solve this. I am writing first what is given to us. So from this question we know that glucose is a solute and water is a solvent. Okay, so here what is given is mass of glucose is given, that is mass of solute is 2.86 gram, molar mass of glucose is 180 gram per mole, and mass of water is given, that is 30 gram. Hence we can calculate number of moles of solute, that is glucose, which is equal to mass of glucose divided by molar mass of glucose, which is equal to 2.86 upon 180 And answer here we get is 0.0158 mole. Hence, molality is equal to number of moles of glucose upon mass of water in grams into 1000. We know that number of moles of glucose is 0.0158 mole. We know the mass of water, that is 30 gram into 1000. Hence, our answer is 0.526 mole per kg or 0.526 molal. Thank you.